Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is FR 160, chapter number 4, video number 3. In this video, we will look at one question from your study guide, Manora Berhad. It's on page 99. So it combines the redemption of shares, redemption of debentures, and also share buyback. So hit the pause button, go get a book, and read the question carefully. Basically, these are the information taken from the question. So if you read the question carefully, there are a few parts that you need to do. This is number one is to redeem redeemable preference shares. So we need to record this one, and then the company repurchase 50 million ordinary shares. Next, this one is on redemption of debentures, and last one is on bonus issue. So there are four things that we need to do. So let's start with number one, the redemption of redeemable preference shares. You need to prepare the journal entry. So number one, debit 10% redeemable preference share and credit redemption of preference shares. Redemption of preference share is the temporary account. So this transaction is to reduce the liability of the company. Okay. Next is debit redemption of preference shares and credit bank. This transaction, because you credit your bank, it means that you have made some payments. So this transaction is actually to record the payment to redeemable preference shareholders. Next, okay, so we need to cover back the capital that we have redeemed. So the company issued some shares. Okay, this transaction is to record the issuance of shares. Debit bank, the amount you receive from investors, 90 million. And then credit ordinary share application, also a temporary account. And debit ordinary share application and transfer it to your equity account, which is ordinary share capital. Okay, so by issuing the ordinary share capital, we have covered 90 million of the 100 million redeemed. So you need another 10 million. So how to cover the other 10 million is by using your retained profit. So to utilize retained profit, debit retained profit, 10 million and credit ordinary share capital. So you cover another 10 million from your retained profit. So 90 million from issuance of shares and 10 million from retained profit. So the total capital cover is 100 million ringgit. Okay, this is part 2. Share buyback. Second requirement of the question. So we need to prepare the journal entry. Debit ordinary share capital 50 units was bought back at 1 ringgit and 70 cents. So you need, the value is 85 million. Debit ordinary share capital, credit purchase of own shares. So this is to record the reduction of equity. Next is to make payment. So debit purchase of own shares, credit bank, the amount you bought from your shareholders. So you have to pay them. So this one is to record the payment to shareholders. Next, we need to cover the 85 million capital we bought back. So we will use retained profit. We utilize the retained profit. So debit retained profit, credit ordinary share capital. So this transaction is for the capital maintenance. So the 85 million we bought back have been covered by the retained profit. Okay, now let's continue with the third one, redemption of debentures. This one is pretty simple. So you have to reverse the transaction before this. When we issued debentures, debit bank, credit debentures. So now we will debit debentures, credit bank. Yeah, siap. The first one is bonus issue. The last one. So to record bonus issue, you won't debit bank because you are not selling the shares, so you have to utilize your retained profit. So when we utilize again debit retained profit, 1 million times with 2 ringgit and 50 cents for each unit. 2.5 million, and then credit the bonus issue. The retained profit was utilized for bonus issue. Next is to transfer the bonus issue to the equity account. So bonus issue account is also a temporary account. So you need to transfer it to the ordinary share capital account. That's it. Done. So that's the end of the video. So I hope this video helps you to understand more about this chapter. So I have a task for you. Can you name the characters that appeared in this video? And can you find the hidden item? It's a fish. So that's all from me. So if you manage to name the characters and find the fish, you can claim the reward from your respective lecturers. So that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.